Mobile Wheel Repair is a unique service that restores your wheel or rim back to new from curb scrapes and scratches. We first start off by resurfacing the uneven edges of the wheel. For severe gouges, we use a special wheel filler to compensate a damaged lip. We'll then smooth down any rough spots and prep. Your wheel is prepped and cleaned, thorough before paint work begins. Have no worries when it comes to paint matching. We have an onboard computer color matching system that guarantees an exact color match. Next, your wheel is primed, base coated, and finally, clear coat is applied for a restored factory shine. Most wheels are completed within 60 minutes, and for multiple wheels, expect 2 to 3 hours. And finally, your wheel is safely and securely placed back on your vehicle and looking brand new again.